Hi everybody, my name is Abigail. I'm live from Pony Power Therapies. We miss having everybody here, so we wanted to give you guys some time and space to connect with some of your favorite horses and animals and just spend time here on this beautiful day. So, we're gonna go for a little walk, and I want you to know that I have peppermints in my pocket. I have cookies in my pocket. If anybody wants to personally deliver a snack to one of their favorites, I'm happy to do so. Just give us a shout out. Hi Brooklyn, we miss you too. Dana says, come visit me from a safe distance. So Dana, our executive director, is somewhere around here. There she is. Hey Dana, give us a wave. There she is on her perch. Hello, say hi to everybody.
Hi guys, we miss you.
We do miss you, it's true. Loretta wants to see Peggy. Oh, Peggy, don't worry, you don't have to get... We're reconnecting. I have a bit of a poor connection, but here's Peggy. Sunbathing. Hi, Clara. We say hi back. Where's Ziggy? Is Ziggy in her house? Hey, Gabrielle, have you seen Ziggy?
She's over here.
Let's go find her. Ziggy! Gabrielle, say hi.
Hi.
Can Ziggy have a cookie?
Yeah.
Let's give Ziggy a cookie, guys. Hi, Ziggy! All right, I have a request from Ken's to see Evie, so we're gonna go do that next. Hey, Ken's, would you like to give Evie a peppermint or a cookie? And Brooklyn, I'm wondering if you want to see Dixie. We can do that too. I've got time on this beautiful day. Hi, Liana, we miss you. Matt, Nick Benigno wants to see Matt. Can we see Dixie? Love Brooklyn. Absolutely. So we have Evie, Dixie, and Matt on our list. And Angel. All right, future soccer star. Angel's good. Angel's good. She's enjoying this beautiful spring weather. And Patrick wants to see Merle. I can do that too. And Dancer. Oh man, I think we're gonna be walking around the whole farm. Luna's around. Hi, Sue.
Hi.
All right. All right, Nick. Matt lives right here, as you know. So let's start with him. Hi, Matt. Hello. I'm gonna put a cookie in his bucket from you, Nick. All right, he got his cookie. Matt and Evie just got their cookies. They were very happy. There she is. Sorry, future soccer star. We have some bad connection around the barns. So I'm gonna try to stay outside as much as we can and kind of near our Wi-Fi. I'll do my best. But Luna is here and she's so ready for a cookie. So, in her bucket. All right, Luna, that was from Riley gave you that cookie. She says, hi, Riley, thank you. All right, hang on one second. I just got a message from my tech crew. I'm gonna try to turn off my Wi-Fi. Let's see. Hopefully you can see everything better. All right, Ken's didn't see Evie. I'm on a mission. We're going back to Evie. There's Remy. And don't worry, we'll get to Angel too. Matt, did you enjoy your cookie? Nick misses you. He misses you too, Nick. All right, Kens, here's your Evie girl. Look, she's begging for another cookie. She has her nose sticking out. Look at this face. Look at this face. You already had a cookie. You already had a cookie. All right, I'm gonna go to Angel next. I see that Merle and Promise are still on our list. Don't worry, let's go find Angel. And let's see. Can you give a cookie to Angel saying it's from Tristan and Morgan? Absolutely. Look at this beautiful day. I hope that you're all taking some time to yourselves to get outside if you're able to, if you have a yard or a porch, even sitting by a sunny window. By the way, the ponies are all inside early today because they have a special visitor, the vet. So we're all getting checked up for our spring vaccinations and such. So it looks a little quiet around here, but I promise it's busy. I'm going to give Promise a cookie, yes, from Yoshi, aka Luis. All right, from Summit, cool. Here's Angel, guys. Oh, hi, Angel. All right, you have a cookie. She says, thank you, thank you, thank you. What a treat. Oh, check it out. Her friend Vinny. He wants one too. What do you guys think? Does Vinny get a cookie? I think so. Angel does have a new stall. It's just her size, and she looks awesome in it. Look, she's nodding yes. Yes, I do. All right, Vinny, I'm coming for you next. Pit stop at Vinny, guys. We're going. I can't resist that face. How big is Angel? Let's see. Angel. Hey, Vinny, here's a cookie. Angel comes up to my hips, and I'm not very tall. I think she weighs just under 200 pounds. There's Cece. You got a cookie, too. It's in your bucket. It's in your bucket. All right, moving right along. So I know that we got requests for, you're welcome for showing Angel. Dana says Angel is 36 inches tall. She knows her stuff. Let's go see. We are on our way to Tanner and Merle now. And then Promise. Don't worry. Promise lives on the other side of the farm. Vinny is a handsome dude. He's pretty spectacular looking. Nick, did you get to see Matt? We got a request to see Dixie. Dixie, it's your lucky day. Here she is. Hi, Dixie Doodle. Good. I'm glad that the video is much better. Nom, 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 nom. Brooklyn, I'm glad you're enjoying. Oh, smile. Brooklyn, that's for you. She's smiling back. All right. Sydney, you're right. Charm is making a lot of noise over here. He wants a cookie too. And we're gonna go to Merle and Tanner next, I promise. Man, I'm being chased. Excuse me. I'm gonna put it in your bucket, okay? That's horse safety, Charm. You have to understand. I'm not supposed to feed you with my hand. You need to eat it out of your bucket. I know I hand-fed Angel, but she's so little. She's so little. Excuse me. Don't skip anyone. Boy, oh boy. I hope I packed enough cookies. All right, Red Hot, that means you. Does that Red Hot have any fans out there? Say hi. Enjoy. And Rascal. All right, let's go find Tanner, Merle, and Promise. Hello. That's
Hi.
Julia and our wonderful vet taking good care of our ponies. Hey, Kristen. You're welcome. Yes, Emma. Rascal got some lovin' too. Look at these faces. More cookies coming up. All right, for all of you Merle followers, here is the handsome boy. Yes, Lewis, you can clean Promise's stall once we're all back on the farm. That's a great idea. I love it. Yes, Merle loves it too. All right. Excuse me, Merle. Where's your bucket? Hey, Jess. I know you love your Merle boy. How cute is he? Look at that minty face. All right. Tanner Banana. Hey, bud. Say hi to all your friends. They miss you. Do you want a cookie? Merle, your friends say that they miss you. And Missy, one of our newer horses, you get one too because you are a good girl. All right, guys, we only have a few minutes left, so I think we'll head over to Promise. And on our way, we will see the goats, the chickens. Maybe we can spy on Peggy again. We'll see Promise. And don't worry, we're going to do this more often because we want to stay connected with all of you. All the animals miss you. We wish you were here. It's way too quiet around here these days. Can't wait to have you back. You're welcome. We're happy to do this video. Looks like Dana made it out of her office to watch in the beautiful sunshine. She's tuned in as well.
Thanks for fresh air. By myself.
There's Gabrielle spending some time with her animals. I saw that there was a chicken lover on here, so we'll stop and say hi to them real quick too.
Better get some mealworms.
Ooh. Glad you're enjoying it. Hey, girls. Hello, ladies. Hello. Noisy birds. We're really appreciating our chickens these days because they're laying lots of wonderful eggs. We're starting our gardens. Chickens are peaceful. All right, let's head to the red barn to see our friend Promise. Barbara, get on here and see the chickens. Shakira, yes, somebody knows their chicken facts. All right, here's Promise. Oh, hi, beautiful Promise. All right, Promise. Here is your cookie. Enjoy. Go ahead. This is from Young Yash 100 Promise. He's going to see you soon. He's going to come take care of you. I will try to make this video available. That's a good question. All right, so we're going to end with the goats. I just can't say no to you guys. I could do this all day. But I promise that we will do this more. You will have plenty of opportunities to continue to connect with the farm. We're going to end with the goats. Ah, there we go. My tech department says, yes, this story will be on Pony Power Story Highlights. Fantastic. All right, Nicholas, say goodbye. Hey, cutie. What are you doing? All right, everybody. You'll catch everyone later. I think we'll just set up live often so that you can watch the goats and the chickens and the horses. We'll see y'all soon. Feel free to reach out, okay? We're here. Bye, everybody.